The H5N1 bird flu is making a comeback in the headlines. This is with the recent report of a Chinese national who died after being infected with the virus in Shenzhen, China. This has raised concerns in Malaysia, with our country being one of the main importers of poultry products from mainland China. The Director General of the Department of Veterinary Services put to rest any fears of tainted poultry exported from China, since the exporters themselves were not of the affected area.
Bagaimanapun setakat ni daripada maklumat yang kita dapat daripada pengeksport, loji-loji dan sebagainya, tidak ada sebarang tanda-tanda yang menunjukkan wilayah-wilayah di mana kita mengimport produk-produk tersebut dijangkiti ataupun penyakit tersebut telah merebak.
Nevertheless, Dr. Abdul Aziz urges vigilance among all poultry farmers in the country and to report any suspicious deaths in their livestock. In 2007, the bird flu outbreak worldwide caused considerable losses for the poultry farmers in Malaysia. This recent re-emerging of a H5N1 virus has given cause for concern for the farmers. Dr. Abdul Rahman of the Federation of Livestock Farmers Associations of Malaysia gave his take on this issue.
As you are aware, all the outbreaks in Malaysia before has been in backyard chickens, not in the commercial farms. The highest risk to the consumers is actually in the wet markets, where the live birds are sold. And we have been in contact with the government over this, and a transformation of the delivery system of chickens to the consumers is something the government need to look at seriously to reduce the risk if and when it happens.
Poultry products are a main part of our Malaysian diet. We now go to the ground to find out what the local sentiments are and if the news of the bird flu in China would affect their businesses and possibly their diet.
Tapi saya rasa tak patut kita risau sangat. Semua bawa kawalan kerajaan. Kerajaannya, saya tahu, kita yakin bahawa kerajaan boleh menandangi masalah tersebut lah. Kalau berlaku apa dia akan memantau dengan lebih efisien lah.
So I'm very particular about the chicken yang they prepare nowadays. So I will normally go to the hypermarket and places like that to be sure that they are all are safe for my children.
嗰陣 flu 馬來西亞都有講過多少啦，有一陣間啫啦，都係唔係講好耐啦。so 有啲人驚咯，係咁咯。後尾 after that 又冇咩嘢嘅。
Sekarang tak ada apa lagi lah, tak nampak kesan apa-apa lagi lah, dan macam customer yang datang pun macam biasa lagi. Dan so yang beli ayam pun dia tak kurangkan lagi, macam 3 ekor macam tu, 5 ekor pun tetap macam tu lagi lah.
While the concerns on the bird flu are slowly growing, however, it has not dampened the festive mood nor the desire to have a meal of ayam bakar.